Hey, we just got back from doing our POTA. I have an issue when it comes to soldering. My hands shake. So I have really bad anxiety when I'm around people, and apparently that translates also to being filmed. So my hands shake when I'm being filmed. Wish me luck. So I've populated the board already. I've got all the things where the things should be. Well, not all, but as much as I'm going to be practicing with tonight. So experiment time starts now. Got the soft jaws on these so it won't damage the board. Okay. I think that's too much, but we shall see. I have no idea. Let me see. I don't think that's right. Is it? I think that one's too much. Let me try again. It's pointy. I think it's on there. I can't tell. Oh, that one's absolutely wrong. I'll fix it in a minute. Just want to reiterate, this is not an important board. This is a practice board. Cheap practice board. This is just for me to practice on. Okay. Yeah, that didn't work. Neither did that. Let's try again. Put it on the tip. Touch the board. Ruh-roh. Did that work? I don't know. I can't tell if that worked or not. I'm going to check it in a second. Oops. Oops. No, it might have worked. Yep. I think it's good. We shall see. I might be doing this entirely wrong. I'm sure everyone will tell me in the comments so that I can fix it for next time. No, I don't like that. I don't want to make a bridge. Eek. No. Try that one again in a second. Let's scooch it this way. Yes. Scooched. These are so close together. 2, 3. 3-second rule, right? I don't know if that worked. I'll try this one again. I think that might be good. Now I gotta scooch her up a little bit. Move this. Please don't bridge. Please don't bridge. Why? Why did you stay put? Okay, let's try that one again. Okay. Please don't make a bridge. Please don't make a bridge. That work? I don't know. Let's move a little closer so you guys can see. Okay. That work? Get some clippers. Let's check her out. I don't know. She might be good. I have no idea. clip off the ones I'm sure about. Not sure about you. Things are just flying all over the house. Oh, hello. Well, it looks like it's on there. I'll go ahead and clip it. Then ew, why'd I leave such a long little tail over there? Don't like that. I don't know if I can zoom in really far. I think they're on there. I don't know. I guess we'll see when we test it. I'll keep on with it tomorrow. My hands are still a little bit shaky, but all in all, I think it might be a success. But I might be completely wrong, so hopefully not. I don't know. I don't know if I would call that a success or a failure. We'll see tomorrow when someone inspects my work. I'm going to upload today's POTA tomorrow. It's going to be a long one, and it was so much fun. So I will see you guys tomorrow, and have a good night, 73.